People are trying to cancel me for being too happy in my videos. Well, oh my God! I just got a package from Marshalls. From Marshalls. You know, the place me and you go for the best deals. Me and you shop at Marshalls all the time. When they sent you a package, how happy would you be, girl? Okay, let's undo this unboxing. Okay. First things first, Mary. See, here's the thing with Marshall. Sometimes it's a hit and miss. For my aesthetic, I'm grateful. Don't get me wrong. But where's the tag here? Can I return this? I shouldn't be saying that. I'm so crazy. Oh, love it. No way! No way! Oh my God! No freaking way! Hold on! Oh my gosh! Hold on! Oh my gosh! What the heck? Wow, you guys know me so well. That was very, very, very nice. You know, if someone gives you a mug, like, they thought about you, you know, and they think it's the perfect mug for you. I'm nervous. Oh, I was hoping that it was Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But this is fabulous, honey. Wow, that is aesthetic AF. Actually, no, I love this. I love this. Can't believe Marshall sent me a package. Wow. Holiday cheer. Yep. I'm guessing the scent is like cranberry. You know, I'll also say holiday. Just that's the name of it. Cashmere cinnamon. Completely opposite. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. There's a card. Hi, Stephanie. Congratulations on your new home. Thank you. We loved getting a first look in your vlog. Oh, yeah, man, I vlogged. I did mention Marshalls. Yeah, I did. Oh, my gosh. That's how you found me, girl. Okay. While we couldn't track down the extra long runner your gorgeous table deserves, don't you worry, honey. I found it. I'm a Marshalls connoisseur, honey. Don't worry about it. I'll show you. Hold on. We packed up a few viral holiday favorites and a gift card, thank you, to make decorating and hosting a little easier this year. Whenever you track down the perfect runner, we hope you'll show us. We'll be celebrating with you. I will show you right now, honey. Come on, girl. Oh my gosh, I absolutely have the perfect runner. And the perfect runner requires 2 runners. So I found this runner. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Here it is, hidden right here, the extra one. So this is 2 runners in 1.